Andito na nga po tayo sa ating pagpapagupit ng ating buhok. Actually, ito ay isang parang naging statement ko. Tapos, napag-usapan, pinagtulungan. So, ayan na po. Wala na po tayong magagawa, kundi ang magpapagupit. Unang-unang po sa lahat, nais ko magpasalamat kay Survivor Grandma dahil siya ang nag-introduce sa akin kay Viva Mascarados at sa Viva Family. Nasa LS po siya ni Wandering Lola one time at nandun din po ako. At sabi ni Grandma na mag-attend kami ng mga live stream ni Viva kahit magpalista lang, ganyan para tulong sa aming watch hours. So, hesitant po ako nung first. Hanggang sa, parang nag-observe lang ako nung one time, pero hindi ako nagtagal. Tapos, sa next na live stream, yun na, medyo pa ako hesitant pa rin kasi hindi naman ako talaga ganun ka sociable, hindi naman po ako ganun ka sa online, pero napaka-receptive po ng pag-accept sa akin ng mga Viva family. O ayan si Kuya, ginawa akong Barbie. Nagtripan pa yung buhok ko. Akala ko minsan ng lang, tas isang cut lang ganyan, pero kailangan palang i-section para mas magandang pag-cut. Yan, so anyway, marami pa akong dapat pasalamatan, lalo na sa ibang tao na tumulong, sa mga ibang teams. Alam ko po sa mga nasulat ko dito, galing po yan sa mga ibang teams, may kanya-kanyang sariling team. Pero lahat po sila sa Viva family ko po sila nakilala. So, ayan. Ang isa sa mga reasons kung bakit ako nagstay sa Viva family ay dahil sa pag-share nila ng knowledge regarding sa yung pag-YouTube na hindi ko nakikita sa iba. More on bananas kasi yung iba or sasabihin sa'yo na visit mo to, may premiere yan, may ganito, may ganyan, may live stream siya. So, para sa mga nagsa-start, sa mga nangangapa regarding sa ng pag-YouTube, wala kang makukuhang idea kung paano talaga mag-grow ang iyong account. Wala namang sinasabi sa mga LS na ano ba talaga yung proper way na gagawin. More on sasabihin sa'yo na ganito ang gawin mo. Pero hindi tinuturo talaga yung tamang pamamaraan kasi nga busy sila sa pagbibigay ng bananas, yan, sa pag-support sa mga may premiere, yung mga live streams. So, sa Viva Family, doon ko lang nakita na may mga ganun pala na dapat mong malaman regarding sa YouTube na sinishare nila sa Viva Family.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as
maraming salamat sa inyo.